Let's see how to use the Uni2Finance Bridge. And the first thing we need to know is what a bridge is for. Well, it's used to transfer tokens from one blockchain to another blockchain. In this case, as we can see on the page, it's set up to say, from the BSC network to the Uni2's network, which is Uni2Chain. Before we continue, just a note that we recommend using SafePal, because MetaMask has been having some issues, some bugs. Now, the first thing we need to do is go to the top right, to the menu, and connect the wallet there. In this case, SafePal already shows up for me, but if it doesn't for you, you can click on All Wallets at the bottom and select SafePal there. It asks us for confirmation. We click on Agree and the wallet will be connected. We close that warning message for now and open the menu again. In the menu, we see at the top that it says Uni2's. The Uni2Chain blockchain is selected, and to transfer tokens from the BSC network, we need to change that to BSC. And now, at the bottom of the menu, we can see that bridge is already selected. If we weren't there, we would simply click on Bridge, confirm again in the menu that BSC is selected or selected, and now we can set the amount, and in this case, also the token, which is USDT as we see it selected there. We can click on USDT or we can click on Uni2's T, which is Uni2's token on the Uni2Chain blockchain. It's the equivalent of the Uni2's token we had on the BSC network, but in this case, this is Uni2's token on the Uni2Chain network. In this example, I'm going to do it with USDT, so I select it and click back. And we see there, where I enter the amount, which is at 0, that in this case it hasn't loaded my balance. If that happens to you, below you have a little icon that you can click, and it will try to load your balance. In this case, you can see that it has now shown the correct balance I have in my wallet. And there we can enter the amount we want to transfer from USDT on the BSC network to the Uni2Chain network. And below it shows me that it's going to send 10 USDT, and that on the Uni2Chain blockchain. In the wallet, I'll receive 9.995 W2 USDT, which are the USDT tokens on the Uni2Chain blockchain. So we click on Transfer Tokens. It shows approving and processing. My wallet opens, and it shows me the confirmation. Before this, you might also see another window about the spending limit. You approve that as well. Then I click on Agree. It asks me to unlock and confirm with my fingerprint or PIN code, and then it's approving and processing. We wait a little bit. And now we can see that it shows me transaction processed and automatically released. I can close that message and go check my wallet. And I see that my USDT has decreased by 10. 10 have already been transferred. And now it might take about 3 or 4 minutes for the transfer to be completed, since it's from one blockchain to another, and that takes some time. So we wait those 3 or 4 minutes, and we need to add the contract for the W2 USDT token, which is the USDT on the Uni2Chain blockchain, to the wallet. We have to add it, and then we'll be able to check when it arrives. If we already have the W2 USDT token imported in the wallet, then we can check to see if it has arrived. After waiting about 3 or 4 minutes, we can now see W2 USDT there and 9.945. So it has arrived, the bridge worked, and we now have that USDT token transfer from the BSC blockchain to the Uni2Chain blockchain.